Hey guys, Shruti here, and today I'm very excited to make this video because recently I got a haircut and I got so many comments from you girls that you guys like my long hair, and I just wanted to give you guys a idea that how fast my hair grow. So that's why I thought, let me just make this video and share my tips and tricks to make your hair grow. Like, I use this treatment for myself as well to grow my hair faster. So let me share the secret now. I take this oil from Parachute. This is advanced gold parachute oil, which is just amazing because it's enriched with a lot of Indian herbs which are great for your hair. The second ingredient is vitamin E capsules. If you don't have this, you can use olive oil as well in place of vitamin E capsules because olive oil is very rich in vitamin E. This next set of ingredients work like magic, girls. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking natural aloe vera and then I'm grading it. If you want, you can use aloe vera gel, which is easily available in the market, like Patanjali is having one and Dhananjay is having one, and there are so many other brands which make aloe vera gel. Now take at least 10 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, then and 2 teaspoon of methi in it, add 2 teaspoon of black cumin in it, and then soak it there in the aloe vera gel for good 1 day, and then in the morning I'm going to blend it with a blender.
Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer.
I'm taking large quantity of these ingredients because I pre-make this and I keep it there in my refrigerator for good 10 days, and whenever I am washing my hair, I just reach out to my fridge very easily and then use this treatment on my hair. Then all you have to do is take 2 teaspoons of Parachute's advanced gold hair oil and apply it to the center of your scalp, and once it's spread out to all the scalp, just massage it very well. Then take at least 2 teaspoons of the treatment which we made and then keep it on the center of our scalp and then massage it all over your scalp. Now let it be there for good 1 hour and then wash your hair like you normally do. If you want, you can substitute any ingredient according to your liking, but this particular set of ingredients work pretty well for me, so I will highly advise you girls from my side to try this exact set of ingredients, and it works like amazing, and you will see amazing results within a month or so. And that's it, girls. That's all you have to do. All the ingredients I used are so natural. They are so good for your hair. Just try this recipe once, girls, and I know you guys will love it. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks a lot for watching, girls. Take care. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, guys. Take care. Bye bye.